Hi, welcome back. In this video I'm going to talk about how to set any song as ringtone on iPhone. First, open Safari to download music. Search for MP3 downloader, link in the description. Search for the song that you want to make ringtone. Tap download icon. Select the song quality and press download. Now open App Store. Search for GarageBand, link in the description. Download it. Open GarageBand. Scroll over to find Audio Recorder. Tap to open. Tap OK. Tap in blue icon on top right. Tap on left third icon. Tap on little plus icon. Open selection A. And make it 30 seconds. Press done. Tap on little loop icon. Select Files. Tap on Browse Item from Files app. Tap on the song that you want to make ringtone. Now you hold it and drag to the timeline. You can adjust the song by tapping on timeline. The next thing you're going to do is click on triangle drop-down menu, tap on My Song, press and hold, then select Share option. Click on Ringtone, tap Continue. Rename the ringtone. And click on Export on top right corner, and wait few seconds. Press OK. Open Settings. Go to Sound and Haptics. Ringtone. Select the ringtone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.